Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today I'm going to give you a quick first look at unboxing of the House of Marley No portable Bluetooth speaker. So this is it here in the package, and we have got rewind fabric, 10 hours of playtime, regrind cork and water and dust proof, which is IP67, and the purchase of this will help plant one tree, which is nice to see. So on the back it'll just give us a similar description of the front, and it's also buoyant, which is pretty cool. So you have a response of 150 Hz, which is 20 kHz and 10 decibels, 4 ohms, and we have mic sensitivity of -42 to +3 dB, and Bluetooth 4.2 plus BLE. So in single mode you have a range of 30 meters, battery 3.7 or 1100 milliamp hours, battery life 10 hours, charge time 2 hours, and weight of 277 grams. So let's open up and have a look. So we've got a nice presentation, as you can see. So we'll take it out of the box and see what it looks like. So this is all we get inside. We get some instructions, you get your braided cable, which is on micro USB, you get your ribbon or clip, which will not come out. So there's your ribbon or clip, so you can hang this anywhere, like so. And I like this cork effect here on the bottom, really nice. And again, we've got a rubber footing on it there. You can see some branding in here, a little badge here. Nice rubber feel to the edges, a nice fabric up on front, and on the sides we have our controls, which are for some might find hard to see, but you can see them there. You've got 1, 2 and 3, so they will be your controls. And on the side here we've got more. You've got your power on, your Bluetooth, you have a mic here, and we also have something hidden behind this here, if I can get it open. And this is your power outlets here, so you have your micro USB and an aux cable. So pretty simple, nice looking. It looks like an Alexa kind of device in shape, but I love this cork effect on the bottom. So we've got our 3 buttons. We've all our setup pretty much simple laid out. Your power here, power on, Bluetooth, and your other controls here. So stay tuned for the review coming soon on techbuzzworld.com, and we'll see you soon.